Is your laptop frozen, completely unresponsive, or refusing to work properly? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to hard reset your laptop to fix these common issues. It only takes a minute, and in many cases, this simple method can bring your laptop back to life without affecting your personal files. Let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome back to Fix It Tech. Here you'll find simple tech tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and useful Windows tips to help you fix common problems. If you're new here, consider subscribing so you never miss future videos. Step 1. Disconnect everything. The first thing you need to do is disconnect anything that's connected to your laptop. This includes any USB devices, such as flash drives, external hard drives, keyboards, or a mouse. Also unplug the AC power adapter or charging cable from your laptop. Step 2. Perform the hard reset. Now locate the power button on your laptop. Press and hold the power button continuously for 45 seconds. We'll do this together. Keep holding the power button. After around 20 seconds, your screen will likely turn completely black. That's perfectly normal. Don't release the button yet. Continue holding it until you've completed the full 45 seconds. Once the timer is up, you can release the power button. Step 3. Turn your laptop back on. Now reconnect the AC power adapter to your laptop. Next, press and hold the power button for a couple of seconds until the laptop starts turning on. Wait for Windows to boot normally. In many cases, this hard reset clears temporary hardware glitches that can cause your laptop to freeze, become unresponsive, or fail to start correctly. And that's how you can hard reset your laptop to fix freezing and unresponsive issues. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. If you're still having problems with your laptop, let me know in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.